Man, I was just thinking about this. It's like, what a beautiful day. I was just thanking the universe and thanking God for this blessing of just a beautiful day. And it reminded me of this philosophy that I want to share with you guys that I think about. I don't think about it every day, but I do think about it a lot. Yeah. It's a philosophy of one day as opposed to day one. So the idea is, what is that thing that's been gnawing at our gut that we wanted to do, wanted to accomplish? What's that goal? What's that mountain we've wanted to climb, the mountain we've wanted to move, the mountain we've wanted to create? What is it? Is it a job you wanted to get? Is it a raise? Is it a promotion? Is it something in school? Is it self-care, self-help? Is it getting in the best shape of your life? Is it understanding your body more? What is it? What is that thing? Is it a relationship? Is there someone you've always wanted to talk to? Someone you've always wanted to get to know? Is it kids? Whatever it is. I love that kids part. Is my favorite because it means just, practicing, which is always the most important thing. But the idea is that one day, one day I'll do that thing that I've always wanted to do. I'll do it one day. We do that. I'm guilty of that shit all the time. I'll do it one day. Or you make the commitment now and you say, this is day one. This is day one that I'm going to do that thing. And the reason why it's appropriate, I woke up this morning, not only giving thanks to this beautiful day, but also there's been a thing or two in my life that it's been in the one day camp. It's kind of just been hanging out in the one day. I'll do that thing one day. I woke up this morning. Today is day one. I am on a mission to get this particular thing done, and I'm going to get it done. I do believe that when we put that kind of action out there, when you put that kind of energy out there in the world, but I do believe action begets action. So think about that for a second. Is today that day where you go, or you continue to go, one day I'll do that thing? Or is today that day where you go, today's the day. Today's day one.
Let's go.
You get one day over with. You get day one over with, and then the momentum starts and it builds right now. So have a great day and make it your day one. But I promise you, things are much better, and you make it day one. All right. Have a productive day. Take my ass here. This is a hot ass gym, by the way. Left the heater on. Cardio time on an empty stomach. Here we go. Day one.
That's it, family. Today's day one. No more one day, but today is your day one. Let's go.